All right, everybody, we are live back again with another American math lesson. We're joined here with Kira, and we're going to not have a major introduction today. We're just going to hop right back into things and keep picking up where we left off. All right.
All right, let's keep it moving.
Here we've got our play space from yesterday, and to warm up, we're going to just place some values into the play space, and I want Kira to help us out with placing them. All right, we're going to start out with 2/3 of an ounce. All right, go ahead and place this for us, and let's make sure that she has remote control.
Do I do. All right, 2/3 of an ounce. So first, let me take out an ounce for visualization. I'll forget to copy it. One moment. Boom. Or not boom. Hold on.
More like a bat. There we
There we go.
go. That's
Yeah.
boom.
So first, we have to determine 2/3. Here's how we do that. Well, first, let me show you what is 2/3. 2/3 is 2 centiliters. Or I can just do that. Really. Hold on. Put it back. A tablespoon and a teaspoon is good. So 2 centiliters, aka a tablespoon and teaspoon. That's 2/3 of a fluid ounce. And I say it's 2/3 of a fluid ounce because 3 centiliters can fit into an ounce. So in our case, let me get my beautiful pink. 1 centiliter will be 1/3, one group out of the 3 possible groups that can fit into our ounce, and then 2/3 represent our 2 centiliters. So 2 centiliters out of the 3 that could make up our ounce. So boom, it'll be a tablespoon and a teaspoon, aka 2 centiliters.
Excellent. Way to place that. Let's clear and move on to the next one. Let's place 1/6 of a fluid ounce.
1/6 of a fluid ounce. Okay, I can do that. So 1/6 of a fluid ounce, put our ounce back. Now, we know an ounce has 6 teaspoons in it. So, of course, 1/6 of a fluid ounce will just be 1 teaspoon. I say this because, of course, again, like I said, it can fit into our ounce 6 times. So this will be 1/6 out of the 6 ounces that could fill our out of the 6 teaspoons that can make up our ounce. There we go.
Very good. Okay. Now let's say, what is half of a centiliter?
Half of a centiliter. Okay.
Yep.
Simple once we clear the play space. Okay. Half a centiliter. So we know, of course, a centiliter is 2 teaspoons. So just cut it in half. Okay. Then remove one. Oh, draw. There we go. Remove one. Stop. All right, there we go. Remove one. And boom. That'll just be 1 teaspoon. Yay.
Perfect. Now, what would be 1/8 of a cup?
1/8 of a cup. All right. So we know a cup has 8 ounces. So first, 1/8 of a cup would be 1 ounce because that's 1 ounce out of the 8 ounces that can fill the cup, making it 1/8 because the cup has 8 available spaces. So this would be 1 out of 8. 8 being the denominator because again, we have 8 ounces. So this would be 1/8. Yeah.
Perfect. That's 1/8 of a cup. What would be 1/16 of a cup?
All right. So 1/16 of a cup. Now that means we'd have to split the cup in half. How do I select the color? Come on. Oh, do I have it? I do. Aha. All right. 1/16 of a cup. So that means we're gonna have to cut our cup in half. Now, literally, don't do that. But our cup has 8 ounces. So if we were to break these up, or rather, double it. Why can I draw a straight line? Come on. This is gonna have to do. Hold on. I have a stylus for this. I don't got time to look for it. Let me use my finger. Better.
Nice.
All right. 1/16 of a cup. So what I'm gonna do is, since these are split up, we now have 2 different sides of the cup. Okay? So hold on, let me represent that. So this side, so each side would have a total of 8 spaces, which makes up a total together of 16. So look, 1/16 of a cup, all right? That means that's, we're gonna have to do half an ounce, because that means we have to break that ounce in half too. The line's drawn through it, because right now we have 2/16 due to that. So that means we're gonna have to remove this ounce, and half of an ounce is a tablespoon. Oh, how do we turn it to the side?
I got you.
There we go. That's 1/16 of a cup, because now it fills 1 out of the 16 spaces that we have in our cup. Boom. Yeah.
Excellent.
That would be 15 milliliters, because it's a tablespoon.
Spot on. Spot on. All right. We're going to crank out one more challenge before we move on to the next one. Do not delete my words. It deleted my words. Thanks. Okay. There we go. For our last and final challenge, Hero, how would we place 7/16 of a cup?
7/16
Yep.
of a cup. All right. Let me do the finger drawing again. Hopefully it comes out.
You want me to bring it back for you to save some time?
Actually that works. Yeah.
There we go.
Oh, boom. Oh wait, we're not done yet. 7/16. There you go. Now we went over what 1/16 is, which is half an ounce, which is a tablespoon. We'll put our tablespoon in there. Boom. So that's oh, that works too. So that's 1/16 of a cup. So now that means we need to fill 6 more spaces. So that'll be 2/16, 3/16, 4/16, 5/16, and 6/16. There we go. Which is also just 3 ounces, which is 90 milliliters. Boom.
Very nice. So can you remind me what value we're placing into the play space?
Okay. So remember we're placing 16ths, or aka tablespoons. So
and how many 16ths?
that means we're placing 7/16.
And how many 16ths do we have in our play space?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hey! My bad, yo. We missing one. It wasn't a boom. Now it is.
There we go.
So now we have 90. Hold on, I gotta do the mental math. 90. Okay. So that'd be like 120 milliliters. No, actually, that won't be. 1, 2, 3. So you have 3 ounces. That's 90. Okay. 90 plus 15. That's 105 milliliters. Hold on. Let me think about it. I think that's wrong. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, something happened to my audio. I can't hear you, so we're going to let me handle these technical difficulties real quick. I don't know what happened. Hello, testing. There we go.
I can hear you. There you
Okay.
go.
It just muted all of a sudden. I don't know why. Please say that again.
I was trying to do the mental math. I made a mistake saying 120 at first, but then I realized I was wrong. So I'm thinking it's 105 milliliters. Well, hold on, 1, 2, 3. We have 3 ounces. That's 90 milliliters plus 15. Yeah, that's 105. 105 milliliters.
Spot on.
There we go. So we have 3 ounces and 1 tablespoon.
Very good. Now, I don't know about you, but I've never seen a cup in real life that can only have content sit only on 1/2. So can we lay this out as if we were actually using real cups and tablespoons in real life?
I got you. Okay, so we can't slice our cup in half, guys, and leave it like this. So let's just put this as our ounce. Boom, that's 1 ounce. Oh, wait, I shouldn't have removed it. Boom, 2 ounces. That means we have an extra. I gotta remove it. Boom. 3 ounces. So, yep, that's 3 ounces right there. And now we're gonna remove our sideways teaspoon and put it into, oh, not teaspoon, tablespoon, and put it into our tablespoon beaker. So now it's more accurate. So now we have 3 ounces and 1 tablespoon.
Very good. Excellent work, Kira.
We did it. All right.
We did it. Okay. Now, on to the fun stuff. We're going to take a break from the play space.
Okay.
And we're going to hop over here and do some mental conversions. Ooh, I'm still
All
moving.
right.
Perfect. Nope. Didn't mean to do that. Nope. Come back. There we go. Here Kira is. All right. Now we're going to hop over here into our recipe, and we're going to be doing these conversions mentally today.
Okay.
All right. We're converting them into milliliters. So go ahead and, oh, hold up. I got to wait for this thing to disappear. That's not supposed to be here. Give me 1 second. Stop. There we go. Okay. Gotta love technology. Nice. Starting out with 4 tablespoons. Placing that into our mental play space, and let's convert that into milliliters. All right.
So 4 tablespoons is 2 ounces, so that'd be 60 milliliters.
Spot on. Next up, 2 tablespoons.
Easy, that's 1 ounce, so that's 30 milliliters.
Perfect. 2.5 tablespoons.
2.5 tablespoons of granulated sugar. So we know 2 tablespoons is 1 ounce. So
Very
now we
good.
need, okay, so now we have 1 ounce. And now we need half a tablespoon. So half a tablespoon would be 1 teaspoon. 2.5 milliliters. Yep, 2.5 milliliters. So we have 1 ounce and 2.5 milliliters. Not one. Oh, yeah, we do. So that's 30 milliliters plus 2.5. So that's 32.5 milliliters.
Very, very close. You're almost there. That's
Hold on. Okay.
that. Okay. No, go ahead. Figure it out. You got this. I'm not gonna tell you nothing.
Let me think about it. Okay. So, oh, I think I forgot something. I did. All right. So I remember I had 1 ounce. That's 30 milliliters. Boom. So then I forgot my 1 teaspoon as well. 1 teaspoon is 5 milliliters. So that's 35 milliliters right now. 36, 37. So that's 37.5 milliliters.
Very good.
Go.
That's it. Nice.
All right.
Make sure that you're leaving the blocks over there in your mind so you can come back to them later. It takes practice to get good at it. Just make sure you're seeing the blocks and not numbers.
All right.
All right. Next, 1 large egg. How many milliliters?
Mmm. I say a large egg could probably put like plus the yolk and the stuff in it. Maybe give like like a teaspoon and a half, maybe 2 teaspoons.
Two
Mm.
teaspoons. I'm thinking a couple tablespoons. I'm thinking
Oh, you're
maybe
thinking of
like
an ostrich egg. What are you thinking?
no, no, a little chicken egg. I think that would probably be like 2 to 3 tablespoons.
Oh, you're right, because I'm thinking, oh yeah, teaspoons are this small. Yeah, you're right about the tablespoons, definitely. I'm
Yeah.
thinking like a whole beaker, but then I realized I was in the kitchen. I was like, oh yeah, teaspoons are very small. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Hmm.
I'm just looking it up real quick because now I'm curious. I wasn't planning on going this down this rabbit hole before.
Lord. Let me see.
Um, okay. Oh wow. Okay. So it says no. That's not
That's a
it.
large egg is about 3 tablespoons. You were right.
Perfect.
Well, hey, good job. Hey.
All right.
Okay.
Awesome. Spot on with this American math. Okay. Let's keep it moving. We have 1/4 teaspoons of vanilla now. How will we convert that into milliliters?
All right, 1/4. So that'll be, is it 0.29 milliliters? Hold on, let me think. Oh, we're thinking of teaspoon. That's right.
Yep.
Okay. Teaspoon 1 point plus 1.5 is 3. Okay. That's 3 right there. 1.5. Do I prove? Nah, this is mental math.
You want me to pull up the chart so you can see it?
Nah. Hold on.
Okay.
5.5. That's 1. 5. That's 2. Go ahead and pull it up.
Okay. Can do. Can do. Let's hop over here. Um, we'll hop over into our milliliters area. All right.
All right.
Let's clear that. Do you want to move stuff around?
Yes, please.
Okay.
All right.
Take it
One
away.
fourth. 1/4 of a teaspoon. It's a morning dove in my window. Okay. 1 teaspoon right there for me to visualize. Boom. All right. So you need 1/4. So I'm gonna just convert that into milliliters real quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Boom. All right. 1/4 of a teaspoon. So let me do this. Let me do some testing real quick. 1, 2. It's not 1.25 because that's of a milliliter. We're not looking at milliliters. We're looking at teaspoons. So in that case, I might need a review on this, Mr. Bird.
I think you know. I think you're just tripping yourself up. So let's take a step back. How many milliliters are in a teaspoon?
5.
Okay, very good. Then let's write that down. What happened to my? Oh shoot! I was tripping. We have 5 milliliters in a teaspoon.
Yep.
All right.
Yep.
Perfect. Now, how many teaspoons? I mean, how many milliliters are inside of half a teaspoon?
Half a teaspoon is 2.5 milliliters.
Very good. So last time we had our analogy of having $1.
Yes.
Half a dollar is 50 cents,
Yes.
right? And then what's half of a dollar?
What did I say? 25 cents.
Very good. And what's the 25 cents called? What's that coin called?
A quarter.
A quarter. That's why it's called a quarter. Perfect. So
Oh.
now, what would a quarter of a teaspoon be? Or in other words, what's half of 2.5?
So then it'll be wait, hold on, no. Wait, let me think real quick. 1.25 plus 1.25. So it'll be 1.25.
Very good. Because what's half of 2?
1 and then 0.5 but half to 50 is 25.
Very
Oh,
good.
okay.
So you were right. There are 1.25 milliliters in a quarter of a teaspoon. I wrote a half. Oh my gosh. We're just going to go ahead and fix that.
Lord.
Nobody saw that. We're good. Nobody saw that. Nobody saw that.
You corrected yourself.
Yeah, we're good. We're good. Does that make sense?
Yes, it is. We got it.
Perfect. And yeah, you were spot on with this answer.
Okay. I was definitely stomping myself.
So
Do you
Oh wait, I don't think our screen went back.
yeah, you were seeing my coding practice. Don't worry about that. Now you're seeing all this stuff.
Mhm.
Come on, Jimmy, you got this. Okay. We're gonna keep it moving. Keep it pushing.
Okay.
Next up, we have that was a quarter teaspoon of vanilla. Now we got to the crust. So we've got 4 tablespoons of graham cracker crumbs.
Sounds good.
Yeah, this is for a mini cheesecake recipe.
I've never had cheesecake, surprisingly.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Pause. Hard pause. Okay? Can you say that again? Because I can swear I didn't hear you right.
I'd never had cheesecake before.
You have... Kira, where have you been? You've never had cheesecake? Not even like a grocery store cheesecake? Oh my gosh, we gotta change that. We gotta change that ASAP. You know what? This is gonna be the next thing that you make.
It's edible.
Oh my gosh. Okay,
I'm so sorry for this disturbance.
you're good. You're good. Wow. Okay. Wow, that comes as an extra surprise to me because cheesecake is like one of my favorite desserts. So for you to say that you've never had it, that's mind-boggling. Anyways, let's get back to the math. 4 tablespoons of graham cracker crumbs. How many milliliters did he say that was again?
All right, that's 90 milliliters. No, wait, line. That's 60. There you go.
60. Perfect. Spot on. 60 milliliters. All right. And lastly, we have 1 tablespoon of melted butter.
15 milliliters.
Very good. 15 milliliters. That is it. All right. We have any questions about this?
No.
All right. Perfect. Then we're going to go ahead and leave it at that for today. Thank you everyone for joining us. Kira, you got to get cheesecake at some point.
I'm sorry.
You gotta make a little microwave cheesecake. It's probably not gonna be as good as like an actual cheesecake, but like you have to try it. That we can't tolerate this over here.
I never even know. Like I used to think like that cheesecake was like literal cheese.
It's mostly cheese, but cheese is delicious.
I thought it was like just like a whole block of cheese with like stuff on it, some whip or something. Don't blame me.
So you just assumed that and never tasted it.
Exactly.
Ah, got it. That makes sense. You have people who start out with kids like, oh, that's nasty. Have you ever tried it? No, but I just know it doesn't taste good. But
I'm one of those.
Yeah, cheesecake is heavenly. We got to change this.
We'll change. We'll change.
All right. But that's going to be it for today. Thank you everyone for joining us. We'll pick back up tomorrow. And everyone have a wonderful, happy evening and Friday. And yeah, happy learning.